Sorry.
Choke artists!
Sorry again.
Wait till I get you back on Moron Mountain. All right, the party's over. Get in the spaceship.
Why you take it from this guy?
Because he's bigger.
He's bigger than we used to be.
What are you doing? Hey, wait. What are you doing? Wait. What? What?
Had it in you all the time, didn't you? One thing, though. Pass me the ball, Bugs. You gotta give my friends their talent back.
Do we have to?
Yeah. It's part of the deal. Touch the ball.
Oh, okay.
There's there.
There you go. Touch it.
That was so much fun.
I feel so insignificant.
My clothes don't fit.
What a trip.
I'm up for another one.
Can we ask you a favor, Mr. Bunny? We don't want to go back to Moron Mountain.
We hate it up there.
It stinks. I was thinking, could we stay here with you?
Please.
Oh, brother.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys are loony enough.
Loony enough?
Michael, do you know what time it is?
It's 7:50, 7:50, 7:15.
Exactly. You've got a baseball game in 5 minutes.
Okay. Take this.
Is it safe?
Yeah, put it in my bag. I really enjoy playing with you guys. You guys got a lot of, well, whatever it is. You got a lot of it. You gotta go. Bugs,
Mike,
stay out of trouble.
you know I will. Come here. Mwah.